Here's an old video from the vault. I hope you enjoy. G'day folks, this is a different type of video. I'm just going to do my personal review on this Navigator, which are a brand that make GPSs, by the way. SportsCam HD 720, meaning 720p. Now I paid around about $60 for it from Harvey Norman, and well, the camera's not in it. That's actually just a waterproof casing. The camera's already out. See, here it is in my hand. And well, it's cheap as basically. It doesn't come with an SD card, it takes a micro SD, so you've got to buy that separately. And the next piece of video you will see is from the camera itself, and I'll let you guys be the judge. Picture of a wheel, picture of another wheel. It could be usable, but see, the fucking resolution of the video is quite crap. But then it'll be because of this little lens that's in here, so, you know, I'm not really 100% sure what the outcome of using this type of camera is going to be, and there's a little tiny mic on top of there, which is not very directional, so it's often very hard to hear what the I'm saying. So unless I'm like this close to the thing, or maybe even this close, I'm not even sure if I'm in the shot, but you know, what else are you supposed to do? It's a cheap camera, the sound quality is piss poor, and well, you get what you pay for. But it might prove to be a useful camera. I might go back to my 480p max camera before long, but for now I'm just testing out this Navigator Sports Action HD 720p camera. It can do 720p HD video, but I'm not going to say that it's the best camera I've ever owned. In fact, if you saw the size of this thing, you would be like, what did you shoot this with your? And so that's the Navigator SportsCam HD camera, and I'm not overly pleased with the results. The sound quality is pretty bad, but then again, as I did say, you get what you pay for. So anyway, this is the Astro 30 signing off, and I'll see you again later.